Imagine turning any song, your song, someone else's song, even a quick TikTok audio, into a full cinematic video in just a few minutes. No camera gear, no video editing, no budget, just your music and AI doing the magic. That's exactly what this tool does. Today, we're checking out freebeat.ai, an insanely powerful tool that turns your music into fully generated videos with almost zero effort. And just so you know, I've included a special link and discount code below that offers an exclusive discount and easy access if you'd like to try it out or upgrade your plan. Freebeat.ai is basically your AI video director. You give it a song, you can upload an audio file or paste a link from Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, wherever, and then you tell it the type of video you want. The AI listens to the music, analyzes the beat, mood, and lyrics, and then turns it into a full storyboard. From shots to camera angles to transitions, the AI builds it all for you. Now, Freebeat isn't limited to just one style. You can make cinematic music videos, lyric videos with animated text, dance videos where AI characters dance perfectly in sync with your song, visualizers full of motion graphics and effects, or you can just let the AI freestyle and create something totally unexpected. And the best part is, all of this is built around your music automatically. No timelines, no keyframes, no complicated software. Here's how the creation flow works inside Freebeat. Let's start with the music-to-music video feature. First, you upload your song or paste a link. For my example, I'll grab one of the copyright-free tracks from YouTube and paste the link in. I'll extend the length a little, choose music video, and then type a simple prompt like create a dreamy, slow-motion cinematic scene. From there, you can set your aspect ratio, adjust the resolution, and once everything looks good, just hit generate. In a moment, Freebeat automatically builds a full shot-by-shot storyboard that matches the rhythm, the beat, and the mood of your track. And the best part? If you don't like the first result, Freebeat lets you regenerate the entire video with one click. Super convenient. Now, let's try the dance video using the same upload process. Upload or link your song, then select Dance Video. This opens a brand new panel where you can choose the dancer. You can either pick a character from Freebeat's templates or upload your own photo. In this case, I'll pick one from the template list. Next, choose a dance style that matches the vibe of your music. Then click Generate, and just like that, your dance video is created in minutes. Now let's continue with the lyric video. Again, same simple workflow, upload or link your song, select Lyric Video, adjust the aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Within moments, Freebeat gives you a clean, professional-looking lyric video, automatically timed and styled. And the cool thing is, you can tweak the scenes, adjust the vibe, change the overall style, or simply hit Regenerate, and Freebeat will produce a brand new version for you. Freebeat handles all the editing and delivers your final video in just a few minutes. Freebeat uses some of the most powerful AI video engines available. Depending on the style you choose, it can run with models like Runway Gen 3, Luma, Veo, Pixverse, and more. So you can switch between different visual styles until you find the one that fits your track perfectly. There's also mood controls, style presets, filters, effects, text overlays, and even aspect ratios, so you can export in 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Reels. If you're a musician, this tool is a lifesaver. Instead of paying thousands for a music video, you can make something professional looking for a tiny fraction of the cost. If you're a content creator, this tool lets you generate fast visuals for social media, promos, intros, and short-form videos. Even if you're not a musician, you can use Freebeat to make creative edits or aesthetic videos for your page. Now, in terms of pricing, Freebeat does have a free tier, so you can test the tool right away without paying. But if you want more credits, better resolution, and to remove the watermark, you'll probably want one of the paid plans. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use my link and special discount in the description to save money on your subscription or get bonus credits. It's an easy way to support the channel and also get a better deal than signing up normally. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'll be making more tutorials on AI tools and creative workflows. Go try Freebeat AI, have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video.